everyone. Welcome back to day 10 of our 14-day easy watercolor challenge. I'm YaYa and I'm so happy to have you here to paint with me. So today is a fun one. Our rule today is limit yourself to just 20 brush strokes. Yep, you need to count them. It's all about being intentional, bold, and just a little rebellious. You got this. My paint is actually a repeat from our simple animals lesson. So I did redo it. I chose to redo the fox as I was able to paint him in less than 20 strokes, although he wasn't quite as detailed as my original was. And as always, don't forget to have some fun. Did you do it? Did you do 20 strokes and you're done? Short, sweet, and stunning. Good job. Tomorrow's challenge might get a little messy. That's a hint for you. So we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.